Hello and welcome back to a new product review. Today we're diving into the KAHI Wrinkle Bounce Multi Balm, an all-in-one beauty solution that simplifies your skincare routine. This versatile balm serves as a lip moisturizer, eye cream, neck cream, makeup base, and even a face mist, making it a must-have for anyone on the go. Infused with salmon complex and collagen, KAHI Multi Balm visibly improves skin elasticity, reduces fine lines, and restores a youthful glow. This powerful formula penetrates deeply, refining pores and enhancing skin brightness with the natural goodness of Jeju's fermented oil. The balm provides up to 48 hours of hydration, ensuring your skin remains fresh and vibrant all day. Conveniently sized for your busy lifestyle, the KAHI Wrinkle Bounce Multi Balm is the perfect companion for radiant, healthy skin anytime, anywhere. Experience the transformative effects of this soothing balm and let your natural beauty shine through effortlessly. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video.